So, you've picked up a 5-string violin thinking, this is going to be amazing! But now you're struggling with tuning, intonation, bow control, and maybe even questioning your life choices? Don't worry, I've been there. After years of playing a 4-string violin, I switched to a 5-string. And let me tell you, it comes with some unexpected challenges. But the good news, with the right techniques, you can overcome them. In this video, I'll share the biggest struggles I faced and, more importantly, how to fix them so you can start mastering your 5-string violin with confidence. Tuning a 5-string violin requires even more attention than tuning a 4-string one. In my experience, it's important to check the tuning regularly, as the strings, especially G and C strings, tend to go out of tune more frequently. With no surprise, one of the biggest challenges is and always will be intonation. With the added C string, the left hand needs to be positioned at a slightly different angle. If not adjusted correctly, it can lead to playing out of tune. In my case, when I play on the C string for an extended time, my left hand starts to feel some discomfort. Remember to let your left shoulder stay relaxed and respond to the gravity. Don't let it creep up toward your ear. The extra string requires additional space, which results in a wider fingerboard. However, at the same time, the spacing between the strings becomes narrower. From my experience, the left hand adapts to this challenge quite easily, but the real challenge arises when the bow needs to target a specific string. For example, playing on the E, A, or C strings feels natural, but since the D string is now in the middle, my right hand sometimes gets confused, and especially after years of playing a 4-string violin. This often leads to unintentionally hitting adjacent strings. Fortunately, with time and practice, bow control improves and the issues becomes less noticeable. The lowest string requires a different bowing style, likely because the E, A, D, and G strings are standard violin strings, while the C string demands slower and deeper pressure. This can be learned through practice by carefully listening and adjusting the pressure and movements of the right hand. Switching to a 5-string is like learning a new language. You will feel lost at first, but with time, practice, and the right approach, it becomes second nature. So don't get discouraged. Keep experimenting, keep listening, keep playing, and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more violin content, and let me know in the comments what's been your biggest challenge with any kind of violin. Let's figure it out together. Until next time, happy practicing!